Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to change our WordPress username. See, for some reason, WordPress doesn't have an option for us to change our admin username, which is the main username associated with our WordPress website. But don't worry, it's still super easy to do. So to change our WordPress username, we just need to visit the dashboard. Then we're going to hover over Plugins on the left and click Add New Plugin. Then we're going to click into the search bar in the top right and type Username Changer. Then if we scroll down, this is the one we're looking for here, Username Changer by Dan Griffiths, and we just need to install and activate this plugin. Then once it's active on our site, we can click into Users on the left, hover over our username, and click Edit. Now if we scroll down the page, we'll see there's a new option to change our username. We just need to click this link, type our new username into this box, and click Save Username on the right. Then, once it's been updated, we'll get a message saying username successfully changed. Click here to log back in. Now we just need to click this link and log back into our site using the new username. Then, once we're logged back in, our username will be completely updated. And now that we're finished, we can delete the plugin again without affecting our new username. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to change our username on WordPress. Please give the video a like here on YouTube if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Also, be sure to leave any suggestions for tutorials you'd like to see in the comments below. Once again, my name's Marty, and thank you very much for watching.